Kieran.
Good morning, Mommy.
Hey,
Good morning,
Kieran.
Daddy. Dave's holed up with the papa.
Is she upstairs?
In there.
Oh.
We got you guys a little treat. Your macaron.
Oh,
Hey, Mom.
I love you.
Thanks for taking care of Kieran.
Of course, I loved you. Did you get some good rest?
We did.
I know you didn't.
Dave. I got great love and pleasure and delight. Okay, she's not wearing her panties yet.
Yes, that's it, the meaning of this festival. But are the memories of Monteperity.
Hey! Hi, Kieran. We missed you. We missed you.
How did you do today?
Can I give you a hug too? Hi.
Give Daddy a hug.
Wait, here. Oh, give me a big hug, little girl. I missed you. Look at that. See? Here, can I give you a big hug and a kiss? Did you miss us?
I tell my papa, my daddy told.
You told everyone that I'm old?
Yes,
Really?
you're old.
I am old. I'm older than you.
She said her daddy's old.
But I'm a little bit older.
You're older than who?
And she tells me her daddy watches football.
You watch football.
I do.
And I watch football.
That's right.
Her mommy doesn't watch football, but her daddy watches football.
Hey, I missed you. All right, wait.
And daddy got a.
Daddy
Daddy got a.
Come here, Kieran.
I want my train book.
Kieran, come over here.
I want my train book.
Wait, can I get one more hug and kiss?
I'll get you your train book.
I heard that you were putting ornaments on the tree, Kieran. Wait, Kieran, is that true? Were you putting ornaments on the tree? Were you helping Grandpa with the tree?
She wants this train book.
Is that your train book? Let me see.
Ooh.
What? Do you have any favorite trains?
Yeah.
Which ones are your favorites?
Did Papa get that for you?
Kieran, tell me what letters do you see?
She wants it. So she could have it.
Do you know what that says? It says White Pass Scenic
And
Journey.
she has her stethoscope.
Yes, I heard.
She says you should have one.
Are you gonna listen to my heart? No?